So hey guys, welcome back to my channel at Maribel in the Art and Craft. So today I'm back with more video. So I am back with more video of Holi DIY. So today in my new video I will be sharing you how to make rainbow color or the beautiful mixed color earrings. So let's get started with the procedure, but before starting don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to press the bell icon placed in the corner for getting more and more notifications about my upcoming video, as I have posted one greeting card video, so please watch it and like. I'll be mentioning the videos link in the description box. So let's begin with the procedure. So for making the earring, we're gonna make here a pom-pom of different colors. So take here one fork and one green color yarn, not too much, only little bit portion. So for making I am using here green color yarn. So just wrap it around the fork around 7 to 8 times like this, and just cut the excess portion. Now take here orange color yarn and just wrap it similarly over the green color, again in the 7 to 8 rounds of yarn, and just cut the excess. Now take here red color yarn and just similarly wrap it around the orange color one in 7 to 8 rounds, and just cut the excess. Now I've added here yellow one. Now I'm cutting it extra. So you can use as much as color of yarns you have. So I'm using the colors which I'm having. Now I have added light green and I'm cutting excess. Now I am adding here brown for the dark complex of the earring, because brown is little bit a dark color, like this, and just cut the excess. Now I have added pink and just I'm cutting it, and the last and color I'm adding here the white color to give a mix match to all the color, like this. As we all know the Holi is the color of festival, so I thought an idea to share how to make earrings for the Holi, and these earrings will look perfect on the white kurtis and simple kurtis. See, and just cut it excess. Now take here white color thread or yarn and just insert it through the hole of the fork, and just pull it from the back and to the front, and like this, and mark a tight knot over the yarn bunch, like this. And I have removed this bunch from the fork, and I'm tying here 2 to 3 knots, and just cut the excess thread. So now just start separating the wool from the first side, like this, and just cut the excess wool from the corners and just shape it in the circular way. And to make the pom-pom, it's very easy way, and it looks so classy and elegant. like this. So it is done from the one side. Now I am separating the another side, and make sure that the knot should be tightly done. Like this. So now it is done. Now just start shaping it like a pom-pom. And I just love making these pom-pom. And make sure the for the shaping of the pom-pom you are required here with the sharp scissor. So just shape the pom-pom and just make it like this. And just for shaping it, just rub it in your hands to give it a circular look. See, like this. And if you seem that it is not in the shape, so you can just trim excess like this. So my pom-pom is done. So now let's make earrings from it. So this is the earring. What I want to actually show you how to make this. So let's make another pair. So take here your pom-pom back and one thick pearl, one decorative flower for the bottom of the pearl, and one earring hook. So take a glue gun and just add little bit glue to the bottom of the earring hook and just press it inside the pearl like this and just fix it. And just add little bit glue gun to the flower and just stick the pearl on it like this. Now add little glue gun to the bottom of the pearl and just stick your pearl to the pom-pom like this on the top. And here I have created one base for securing the earrings like this. You can create this base if you want to give this earrings to someone, as it is the festival, so you can make this as a gift for someone. But I have made here, so now let's hang them on the base. And I have made this base with the thin notebook cover, and I have covered it with the pink color paper and added golden tacky tape on the border for decorating like this. So now let's hang them. And just mark here 2 lines with the ruler and pencil and just mark a cut in the center like this. Not too big enough cut. So now let's hang them and insert the earring through the hole like this for the hanging. So yeah, it is done. If you are making this for someone, so you can just follow the process, and if you're making this for yourself, so you can skip the process. And I'm adding little bit glue gun to the back for securing it well at a place like this, and let the glue gun dry. So I hope you all guys like the earrings. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit the bell icon placed in the corner for getting more and more notifications. And must share this video with your friends and family, and must with the girls who love wearing earrings. So, and must try the tutorial this Holi. So thank you. I hope you all guys liked it. We will meet soon in the next video. And have a happy and safe Holi, and from the admirable Mini Art and Craft. Thank you.